Welcome to a compelling segment of Career Guru Masterpieces brought to you by Dheya Career Mentors. Today, we are going to have a conversation with our career guru, Ms. Ritu Arora Sakhuja. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing today?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm good. Ma'am, I want to start this episode by asking you what exactly made you step out and become a career guru?
I love to do what I'm doing. I love my job. I love my students. There are some challenge, but at the same time, it is most rewarding also. There is nothing greater than this happiness. If I see my child is looking up to me every morning with a smile on the face. So this is my wonderful moment every morning. There is no any dull moment in the morning, sir. Every day I start with my new kick. Every day I start my see my faces of my student. I feel very energetic. So this is the wonderful job I am doing, sir.
In today's world of education, what do you think your impact or role will be as a career guru in impacting students' careers?
Uh, Sir, over the 20 years of experience, I have learned an amazing amount of my success, my failures. First and foremost, I would like to inform to every person working in the educational sector that this is everything about the kids. Only kids, kids, and kids. Kids is my first priority. Their expectations, I never deviate my part from this journey. Whatever my actions, my reactions, my expectations, all are directed to ensure for the betterment of the student, both individually and the whole. Student safety, their health, their academic growths are my most fundamental duties. So this is what we are doing in today's scenario. We are molding minds directly, indirectly, and helping mankind to stay informed, equipped, and gifted. So this is what we are doing it, and our key responsibility to direct and guide student towards the right career path. We customize their talent, we match their talents to their respective skills. We are not only educate the student but also provide the positive influence on their life, and we are helping them to learn how to be responsible and kind adult who contribute to society in a positive and helpful way. So this is what we are doing, sir.
You have been working with a lot of kids and children overall. So, what do you think are their real needs so they can help you work with them?
So indeed, we have come a long way from a traditional system of schooling. Learning is now no longer confined to the walls of classroom. The paradigm has been shift now. We have to be just close this classroom learning. We have to become to the experimental learning and online learning, we can say. So this is what we are doing it. It is now the classroom learning, the settled all classroom concept and compelled us to think beyond matlab, think outside the box. Means we do to enhance the efficiency of the mind. There is a need to align three components of learning based on their knowledge and skills. We have three learnings components. First and foremost, the educational system that provide the right atmosphere for the learners to develop their soft skills and empower them to be critical thinkers and lifelong learner. This is the first and foremost. And second one is learning through hands-on activity. It
Okay.
should be promoted. It should be promoted, which not only strengthen the concept but also train the learners to adopt and apply their learnings to everyday life situation. And this is also foremost important. And the last one is most important. Students should be provided with the free access to explore their talent through multifarious sports and club activities. So this is what we are doing. This is a need of the students nowadays. Today's era is a different era. Everything is changes. We have to be adaptable. Everyone has to be adaptable. Two kind of mindset. One we can say fixed mindset, and other we can say growth mindset. We always emphasize to have the growth mindset, not fixed mindset, sir.
What advice would you like to give to our parents in building their students' career?
Uh, of course, sir, parents serve a major influence in the children's career development and their decision making. I will say to every parent, if you preach anything to your child, you must make sure you are sticking to the same values. This is what the message I would like to give to my parents. Research also indicate that when students feel loved, feel supported by their parents, they have more confidence in their abilities, their potential and their productivity multiplies. So my advice I would like to convey to the parents that help your child to discover their own innate talent, own their skills, rather than imposing your choice and expectations. This is what we actually just be away from these all things. Please do not have unrealistic expectations from the student, from their wards. Help your child to prepare for the backup plan also. If any predicted result not happen, they should not be discouraged and demotivated. They always feel motivated and encouraged by the parents.
I sincerely thank you for sharing your experience with us here today and taking out time for us. Thank you very much. And I thank you all for joining us here today. I'm sure you must have found it inspirational and enlightening. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.